Hello.
Watch I eat a banana.
It's banana time.
Alright, we're here at the UDPL handgun match for April 24th. I'm shooting a SIG 226. Sai is shooting a Glock 23C. And our goals are to be safe and have fun, and I would like to place higher than the top 25th percentile, which is where I placed the first two matches. Should be fun. Rock on.
Let's say I'm the shooter and I'm laying down. I don't want anyone directly behind me until I stand up. So kind of clear a chunk of real estate behind the shooter while he's down on his face. Stand by.
I bought that. That's probably 20 years old.
It's pretty good. 5 shot. Strong hand only. Strong hand only.
Shooter ready. Shooter is ready. Stand by.
Sorry.
Down just
You understand the word really? You need to say anything about
Talking about?
yeah.
If you learned how to do that, especially with accuracy or just learn to be good.
Yeah. Good.
Good.
Stand by.
What you were talking about on the automatic, thanks with auto. I mean, revolver too. Once you let it break, all you have to enough to let it go all the way. Come off the roll.
Cy always comes prepared. He's got some filet mignon in the glove compartment.
Yes.
It's hot, right?
As long as it's not like
just put up shooting videos.
dumb blondes.
No. You having fun?
Yeah.
It's your first time, right?
First time. Yeah.
Shooting 638.
I've just shot it a few times. This is fun.
Holy smoke.
Todd's a good shot.
Yes.
Got it.
Good job.
She's the only real man among us shooting a revolver.
But I have to reload 3 times per thing.
That's good. It's good practice.
348.
You sure are a fun date, Cy.
Thank you. I'm glad to be a date for you.
Roast beef sandwiches and shooting and a beautiful day. It's gotta be it, right? What you should do is shoot one of the terrorists and take his AK-47, and then shoot the other guys.
There we go.
Shoot ready.
That was cool.
Okay.
Hand right here.
You're shooting, what are those? 158? Yeah, those are hot.
Yeah, well, see my hand's starting to hurt a little bit.
Nice shot.
Harder, I just needed to go 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, and then.
That was cool though. It was like right in the eyes. I don't even know if you were shooting at the head, but
I was going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, reload, 1, 2, 3, 4, reload, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I was going to do, but.
Waiting for the bus. I think it's probably going to be a while.
Stand by. I can wait.